Welcome to Quartermaster Kit Store. Today we're going to be looking at the Victorinox Huntsman. This Swiss Army knife has 15 functions. It has the large blade, the small blade, the can opener with small screwdriver, has the bottle opener with the screwdriver and the wire stripper. We've got the punch and the reamer. We've got the corkscrew. We've got the multi-purpose hook. We've got the toothpick and the tweezers. We've got the key ring, which I wouldn't really call a tool. But what defines the Huntsman is it has the scissors, and it also has the wood saw on the same tool. Now the Victorinox Huntsman retails for $34.99, but it's available now on the Quartermaster Kit Store website and in store for just $32.99.